AI is everywhere, writing, designing, coding, even driving cars, and a lot of people are scared. What if AI takes my job? But here's the truth, while artificial intelligence is powerful, there are 5 critical human skills it simply can't replace by 2030. If you master these skills, you'll future-proof your career, your income, and your opportunities. Stick with me, because number 5 is the skill that billionaires value the most and AI will never touch it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share practical insights on money, success, and future-proofing your career so you can stay ahead of the curve. If that's something you want, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Alright, let's jump right into the 5 skills that AI can't replace by January 2030. Emotional intelligence. AI can analyze data, but it can't truly understand human emotions. Emotional intelligence, things like empathy, self-awareness, and the ability to connect with others will always give humans the edge. Think about it. Would you trust a robot to comfort a grieving friend? Or to negotiate a business deal that requires reading body language and subtle cues? By 2030, the leaders, entrepreneurs, and professionals who master emotional intelligence will thrive. Because relationships drive success, not just raw data. 2. Creative and strategic thinking. Yes, AI can create content. It can design logos, write emails, even suggest strategies. But true creativity and vision, the kind that changes industries, comes from human imagination. For example, AI can remix what already exists, but it can't dream up something that's never been done before. That's why inventors, artists, entrepreneurs, and innovators will always be in demand. If you want to stay ahead, sharpen your creativity and learn to think strategically. AI can give you tools, but only you can connect the dots in unique, world-changing ways. 3. Leadership and people management. You can program a robot to manage tasks, but you can't program it to inspire people. Leadership isn't just about giving orders, it's about building trust, motivating teams, resolving conflicts, and uniting people around a shared vision. By 2030, businesses will still need strong human leaders who can rally others in times of uncertainty, adapt to challenges, and guide organizations through change. AI can be a powerful assistant, but leaders move people, not machines. 4. Complex problem solving. AI is excellent at solving defined problems. Give it a dataset and it can find patterns instantly. But when it comes to complex, unpredictable problems like global crises, ethical dilemmas, or navigating uncertain markets, AI struggles. Humans can weigh context, morality, long-term consequences, and creativity in a way AI simply can't. By 2030, the people who can tackle tough, undefined problems will be irreplaceable. That means learning how to think critically, adapt fast, and make sound judgments under pressure. 5. Vision and entrepreneurship. This is the ultimate human advantage. AI can optimize processes, but it can't dream up the next Tesla, SpaceX, or Netflix. It can't take risks, set bold visions, or create movements that inspire millions. Entrepreneurship is about vision, courage, and resilience, qualities no algorithm can simulate. That's why the wealthiest and most influential people of the future will be those who leverage AI as a tool, but rely on their human vision to build the future. So there you have it, the 5 skills I can't replace by 2030. Emotional intelligence, creative and strategic thinking, leadership and people management, complex problem solving, vision and entrepreneurship. The key takeaway: don't compete against AI. Learn how to work with it while developing these uniquely human skills. That's how you future-proof your career, income, and legacy. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 5 skills are you focusing on right now? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'll be replying to as many as I can. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's worried about AI taking their job. Remember, AI is powerful, but your human potential is greater. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.